So, give up yet? If you two were smart, you'd quit now and save a little dignity. There's just no way you can beat the two of us and Bakurikuso! And Vita Fire!
I told you, they've combined Bakuso's accuracy and Rekuso's rapid fire.
Exactly! So Bakurikuso has no weakness! And you still think you can withstand our attacks? Bye-bye.
No way! Whoa, that's amazing!
That's a 10! A 10! I give him a 9.
You missed me. Nah, 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 nah. Sorry, Win. Try again.
Wow.
That's impossible! He should be finished by now! Yamato should have fallen down more than my mom trying to roller skate!
It appears we have underestimated him. In fact, our adversary is much better than we thought.
Ah, you guys, thank you.
That wasn't a compliment!
Brother, please calm down. He may have a great deal of natural skill, but so what? We're not finished.
Hey! Lee, you're right!